Hey everybody, it's Justin Benz. We're going to do a full walkthrough tour of the Wekiva. I'm over here at Hawkstone. This is an MI Homes community in Sarasota. This is an amazing, massive home. Come check it out with me. Okay, so for those of you who are not familiar, Hawkstone is one of the smaller communities off of State Road 72, just east of I-75 in Sarasota. They have about 155 home sites that they're going to fill up. Here you get to see some of the homes that are fully built and people moved in, and they're going to keep going down that line and around the lake. And this community is known for not having a CDD fee. So what that means for you is less cost. You're also going to get less amenities. If you want a pool or something like that, you're going to have to build it yourself. So kind of a trade-off. These are bigger homes in general than a lot of the communities. So you're going to start in the mid 500s and go up over $1 million for one of these MI homes. They are obviously very well built. MI is known for their quality in here in Southwest Florida. And if you have any questions about MI in general, reach out to me. Today we have the pleasure of touring the Wekiva Model, which is coming in at a 5-bed, 5-bath option. Coming in right around 3,500 square feet. This one is stacked with a 3-car garage, which is currently being used as the sales center. And you're going to have a base price right at around $745,000. Reach out to me with any questions. Enjoy this model tour. This one is fully decked out. I hope you love it. Give me a call.